Hey everyone, it's Mo with Deep Impact Boats, and today we're in our newest model we just released, the 449 Deep Impact Sport. This vessel measures 44 feet 5 inches, has a beam of 12 feet 8 inches wide, and a fuel capacity of 863 gallons. This boat is equipped with Quint 500R Mercury racing engines, capable of reaching speeds up to 85 miles an hour. So one of the unique features on this vessel is the transom. The transom was engineered to actually hold 6 engines from factory, so you don't need any jack plates or any engine mounts to put the 6 engines on this vessel. We have the storage compartment here with plenty of space to store your dock lines and your fenders. Another great feature is this transom steps that are integrated into the moat that allow you to climb over the transom with confidence. Here at the transom, we got 5 individual chairs to seat your guests. Here at the leading post, we got this rear-facing seat with a couple integrated options. This boat is equipped with dual-row seating to accommodate 6 guests and plenty of storage all around. This boat is equipped with a full Garmin electronics package, and here at the helm we have dual 24-inch screens, a 12-inch Garmin, and a 9-inch vessel view. As we work our way to the bow, we're greeted with this enormous 3 individual comfortable sun chairs for your guests. As we make our way forward, we're greeted with this nice U-shaped forward seating area with a telescopic table. So making our way to the cabin, some of the key features in this cabin is the AC with inverter, sink, and mini fridge. Also, our head and shower are independent from each other to give you privacy, allowing 2 guests to use it simultaneously. Another new feature on these Deep Impact is the new retractable wings to give your passengers a smoother ride. Well guys, thank you for joining us on this walkthrough of this brand new 449 Deep Impact. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call or visit deepimpactboats.com to schedule a factory tour or sea trial.